That goes down the floor. Does that feel good? Is it cold? Sissy's gonna run over you. She's gonna run over you. Come on, baby girl. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh, she's coming. Oh wow. For the first time in there, you're moving pretty good, Missy. That used to be your size in? Yeah. Be nice. You're such a brother. You're trying to stop her. Come here. You're being such a boy. Oh, God, love. Thank you. Oh, a squeeze. Alright. Did Sissy give her love? Oh, nice. That was nice. Wow, she's really taking off. Excuse me, baby girl. You do so good in there. Oh, and there's the loon. Come here. Tyson. Lord help me next year when these two can connive things together. Missy, move. Kylie. Over here, baby girl. Over here. Come on. Yeah, help her. Spin around. That's all you can do? Alright.